Hey developers, when dealing with cameras in Flutter, choices matter. The official camera plugin is solid for web and mobile apps, but it's a no-go for desktops. If you're into desktop development and need a lightweight fix, meet LiteCam. It's an open-source camera library that smashes the mobile web camera support wall. LiteCam extends camera features to Windows, Linux, and Mac, which the official plugin can't. By combining LiteCam with the official camera library, you can develop a useful camera component with ease. This powerful combination bridges the gap and unlocks seamless cross-platform camera functionality for all your projects. With our pre-built camera plugin, developing Flutter applications becomes a breeze. For example, we created a video stream barcode scanner that works across all platforms, including desktops. This ready-to-use solution saves developers significant time and effort, eliminating the need to build from scratch. If you're interested in implementing this in your project, we've prepared a detailed step-by-step guide to assist you. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, don't forget to hit that like button.